If k equals to matrix 3, 2, 6, 7, find the value of k raised to the power half. So this sign or this line is a line of what? Determinant. So it can be solved in this very way. So we have a k equals to this times this minus this times this. So that will be 3 times 7 minus 2 times 6. Remember that we have a plus and minus sign on top of this place. So that will give us a 21 minus 12. So that will give us a 9. So remember that we have a k power half here. So that will be k raised to power half will be equal to 9 raised to power half. So that will be 3 raised to power 2 times half. So this we cancel this. Therefore, the value of k raised to power half equals to 3. So like the video and subscribe. Thank you.